Welcome to AI News Today. It's February 22nd, 2026, and we've got some incredible developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Today we're covering 5 major stories that are shaping the future of AI. Let's dive in. Our first story today is about Sam Altman would like to remind you that humans use a lot of energy, too. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman addressed concerns about AI's environmental impact this week while speaking at an event hosted by the Indian Express. For one thing, Altman, who was in India for a major AI summit, said concerns about AI's water usage are totally fake, though he acknowledged it was a real issue when we used to do evaporative cooling in data centers. Now that we don't do that, you see these things on the internet where, don't use ChatGPT, it's 17 gallons of water for each query, or whatever, Altman said. OpenAI continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with large language models. This could reshape how millions of people interact with AI technology on a daily basis. Next up, let's talk about Microsoft's new gaming CEO vows not to flood the ecosystem with endless AI slop. Microsoft announced a major gaming shakeup on Friday, with Microsoft gaming CEO Phil Spencer departing the company, along with Xbox president Sarah Bond. Spencer will be replaced by former Instacart and Meta executive Asha Sharma. With Sharma's most recent role as the president of Microsoft's core AI product, these moves suggest that Microsoft might be doubling down on bringing AI into video games. Microsoft's integration of AI across its product line shows how enterprise AI is becoming the new normal. This could accelerate AI adoption in businesses worldwide. Moving on to story number 3, Google VP warns that 2 types of AI startups may not survive. Loading the player. The generative AI boom minted a startup a minute. But as the dust starts to settle, 2 once-hot business models are looking more like cautionary tales: LLM wrappers and AI aggregators. Darren Mowry, who leads Google's global startup organization across Cloud, DeepMind, and Alphabet, says startups with these hooks have their check engine light on. Google's AI efforts continue to intensify as they compete for dominance in the AI market. This move could have major implications for the broader tech ecosystem. Now, here's a big one. OpenAI debated calling police about suspected Canadian shooter's chats. An 18-year-old who allegedly killed 8 people in a mass shooting in Tumbler Ridge, Canada, reportedly used OpenAI's ChatGPT in ways that alarmed the company's staff. Jesse Van Rutselar's chats describing gun violence were flagged by tools that monitor the company's LLM for misuse and banned in June 2025. Staff at the company debated whether or not to reach out to Canadian law enforcement over the behavior, but ultimately did not, according to the Wall Street Journal. OpenAI continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with large language models. This could reshape how millions of people interact with AI technology on a daily basis. Another exciting development. Suspect in Tumbler Ridge school shooting described violent scenarios to ChatGPT. The suspect in the mass shooting at Tumbler Ridge, British Columbia, Jesse Van Rutselar, was raising alarms among employees at OpenAI months before the shooting took place. This past June, Jesse had conversations with ChatGPT involving descriptions of gun violence that triggered the chatbot's automated review system. Several employees raised concerns that her posts could. OpenAI continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with large language models. This could reshape how millions of people interact with AI technology on a daily basis. And that wraps up today's AI News Roundup. These developments show just how fast the AI landscape is evolving. Make sure to like and subscribe for more daily AI news updates. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.